Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I am beyond excited to introduce you to the Macaron Headphones Kids Wireless Bluetooth Headphone Stereo Headband Gaming Headset with mic. If you're looking for the perfect gift for your gamer girl, or simply want to enhance your own gaming experience, then this headset is definitely for you. Let's start off by talking about the specifications of this incredible headset. It supports a variety of profiles including HSP, HFP, A2DP, and AVRP. With a transmission distance of up to 10 m, you can enjoy freedom of movement without any obstacles. The frequency response of 20 to 20 kHz ensures crystal clear sound quality, and with a resistance of 32 ohm and a sensitivity of 95 plus or minus 3 dB, you can immerse yourself in the game without any distractions. The built-in microphone allows for clear communication with your teammates, and the 3.5mm audio port provides versatility in connectivity. The battery capacity of 200 mAh offers 6 hours of music playing time and 24 hours of standby time, all with just a 2-hour charging time. Now, let's talk about why you need this headset in your life. Not only does it provide high-quality sound and a comfortable gaming experience, but it also comes in a variety of adorable Macaron-inspired colors. Whether you're a fan of pastel pink, mint green, or sky blue, there's a color for everyone. The size is perfect for kids and adults alike, and the package includes everything you need to get started, including a Bluetooth headset, a 3.5mm audio cable, and a USB cable. So, why should you invest in the Macaron Headphones Kids Wireless Bluetooth Headphone Stereo Headband Gaming Headset with mic? Well, for starters, it's the perfect gift for any gamer girl in your life. Whether it's for your daughter, sister, friend, or even yourself, this headset offers both style and functionality. With its wireless capabilities, you can say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to hassle-free gaming. Plus, with its high-quality sound and long-lasting battery life, you'll never miss a moment of the action. If you're ready to take your gaming experience to the next level, then be sure to click the link in the description to purchase the Macaron Headphones Kids Wireless Bluetooth Headphone Stereo Headband Gaming Headset with mic. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and gaming content. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!